Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Maytag washer is not spinning, the clothes may come out heavy, soaked or far from ready for the dryer. So spin failures are often caused by balance issues, drainage restrictions or lock mechanism faults or sometimes due to worn drive parts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot this particular problem step by step. So in order to fix it, first of all, simply open your washer and check whether clothing has shifted heavily to one side. The large blankets, towels and overloaded drums can trigger the safety sensors that can stop the spin cycle. So you need to redistribute the items evenly and then restart the machine. Now, a washer often won't spin if the water remains inside in it. So you just have to simply take a look at the drain hose or pump filter for clogs that are caused by lint, debris or small garments. The poor drainage commonly interrupts spinning. Now, your washer must detect a source closure before entering into the high speed spin mode. So sometimes a damaged lid switch or door lock assembly may stop spinning even though washing functions appear normal. Now, if the motor runs but the drum doesn't spin, the internal drive components may be worn. So you just have to simply inspect the belt, the clutch or motor coupling or actuator system depending on your washer model. Now after doing the cleaning part and taking a look at all of these steps, you just have to disconnect the power, then wait for about 1 to 2 minutes in order to clear further temporary control board or sensor related interruptions. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.